Magic Design with the help of AI can help you make your presentation once so you don't have to do it ever again. So I want to show you how you can use Magic Design presentations to save time. So first thing you're going to do is going to click on Magic Design presentations. Once that's done, you're going to see the magnifier that says to describe your presentation in 5 words or more. So you're going to select it there, describe the type of presentation that you want to, and immediately will give you 2 things. A few AI created presentations for you, and then all the templates that are inside of Canva, okay? Just by describing the type of presentation that you want to, Canva will do this for you. Then the second thing that you can do is you're gonna go to styles, okay? Instead of going to the magnifier, go there, and immediately you're going to see brand kit and then other different type of colors. Brand kit allows you to build your brand inside of Canva. So click right over there, and as you can see, mine is already done. I chose the colors, the type of fonts that I want for my brand, my picture, the tone of voice, which is my brand voice. If you haven't done this yet, there's a video right over here that tells you how you can do it step by step. So then after all this brand kit is done, you exit and you're gonna go again to the magnifier. And you're going to describe the type of presentation that you want for you or for your client or for your masterclass, okay? So do all that. Once that's done, it's gonna give you again the same 2 options, AI created presentations or the templates that are inside. So I selected this one because this is one I really liked. So I click right over there and you put apply to all the presentations. So the number of pages that this template is, it will build it all up. So as you can see, these are not the colors that are of my brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on brand kit and it will apply this identity, this design, this brand voice to all the templates that were pre-created already inside of Canva. So as you can see, really fast, done. You do it once and it's going to start building it for you. Okay, so that's done. Then there's fonts on this pre-created presentation, right? Because it's a template. So you're going to do the work, replace the fonts, do all that. But let's say you want some help. You're gonna use Magic Write to make it more simple, more formal, more casual, to rewrite it, to summarize it, all of that. So we're doing everything so this presentation is already done. You're doing it once, okay? So you do all that. Let's say you want to include a picture, you can also do that, done. Let's take it up a little more. Now you can use Neiro app inside of Canva, which means Neiro app is you choose avatar of your choice. You're gonna put the fonts, which are the words that avatar is going to say. You put it there and you're gonna include it in every slide of the presentation. So this avatar that you're seeing right here will be applied to my whole presentation. You can do this if you want to, okay? But what I'm trying to explain to you here is that you can save so much time by doing this once with Magic Design presentation and with the help of Neiro AI if you want to, and then your presentation for your client, for your investor, for anything for your masterclass is done. As a coach, as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, having a solid, good, brand aligned presentation is the best thing you can do. So you can seem professional, so you can see that you took the time to do this. And the great thing is that with the help of AI, you have to do it once and don't repeat it again if you don't want to, like repeat the template or change it, okay? But it's up to you, of course. So this is it. This is the magic of AI. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. All the best. Let me know if you're gonna use it or not.